So quick apartment turns is very important when trying to get residents in and out as quickly as possible. Stay tuned to see how Smart Apartment Solutions can help you with apartment turns. Hey Smarties, if you want smart solutions for your apartment community, hit the subscribe and bell below. So what are smart turns? Smart turns is when our smart team comes in with trained maintenance staff as well as a turns coordinator to come in and really help you get those apartments turned as quickly as possible. We want to get those apartments cleaned up and ready and livable for the next resident to move in. So some of the things they're going to do are come in and fix the little things like the light switch plates, outlets, little tiny little maintenance things that you need done, as well as the appliance repairs and everything that you really want done to make sure that that apartment is done looking like the old person's apartment and ready to look like the next resident's apartment. This is going to be helpful for your business because we know how cyclical the apartment season is. We know that in the middle of the summers when you're going to get a bunch of those units that you need turned, and you don't necessarily want to hire another person to come on and just help you with unit turns. Why not get a team to come in and bang out those apartment turns as quickly as possible so you don't have to worry about it? If you want more information on how smart turns can help your community save money, click the link in the description below. Until then, get smart with Smart Apartment Solutions.